Fried fennel is a delicious and crunchy appetizer typical of Italian cuisine. This dish transforms fennel, a vegetable often used in salads and raw preparations, into a tasty and flavorful side dish or snack. The lightness of the batter and the perfect frying make fried fennel an irresistible option, even for those who typically don't appreciate this vegetable. Ideal for aperitifs and family lunches, this dish will win everyone over with its delicacy and crunchiness. Ingredients: 2 large fennel bulbs, 100 grams of 00 flour, 100 grams of durum wheat, semolina, cold sparkling water, seed oil for frying, salt, pepper, and a lemon, optional. Preparation: clean the fennel by removing the tougher outer leaves and the stalk. Wash them thoroughly under running water and dry them with a kitchen towel. Slice the fennel into thin, uniform slices to ensure even cooking. In a large bowl, mix the flour and semolina. Gradually add the cold sparkling water, stirring with a whisk until you get a smooth batter without lumps. The consistency should be fluid, but not too liquid. Heat abundant seed oil in a deep pan until it reaches a temperature of about 180 degrees Celsius. Dip the fennel slices in the batter, making sure they are evenly coated, and then fry a few pieces at a time in the hot oil, turning them occasionally until they become golden and crispy. This should take about 3 or 4 minutes. Drain the fennel on absorbent paper to remove excess oil. Sprinkle with a bit of salt and pepper if desired. Serve hot, accompanied by lemon slices for those who prefer a touch of freshness. Curiosities. For an even more indulgent variation, you can add some grated Parmesan cheese to the batter, or serve them with a yogurt and herb sauce for an extra touch of freshness.